to put on my perfume and start shopping, so I can do that. Just now. It's coming in handy. I live like in a hurry.
I'll lift my head high, open my eyes, and I will fly. I'm barely coping, I'm feeling closed in, looking up, hoping the heavens will open.
Good morning. Morning, guys. Today is a Saturday, and I'm starting this morning in the bathroom because I need to clean this bathroom. Yeah, I couldn't clean it during the week. Yeah, and my hope is not coming today, so I need to do it myself. Yeah, so let me do that, and then because I need to leave the house by 8:30 and this is 6:30, so I have roughly about 2 hours to clean like the entire house. Yeah, so I'm starting with this bathroom because I know if I clean the other parts of the house I might leave it again. So let me get into that.
Only cool selling season. Oh no, 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 oh. Oh no, 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 oh.
I'm drifting away into the darkness. Ndizothatha ndibeke enkolo mama, ubomi bunzima. I'll lift my head up high, open my eyes, and I will fly. I'm barely coping, I'm feeling closed in, looking up, hoping the heavens will open. Dali wezulu, ndikhalela kuwe. Open up, open up. I'm feeling closer now. The light is shining brighter, but I'm losing my flow. Kudala, disewa divuka, difuna noluthando, difuna noluthando. Kudala, difuna ubami buvume, vunga manganya, vunga vuleka, 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 vuleka mazulu, vuleka mazulu, vuleka mazulu.
cleaning is so fully done. Yeah, I ended up later cleaning like the whole house, and I'm tired up. I had laundry as well. I did 2 loads of laundry. I think I'm going out outside the first load, because it looks like it might rain, so there's no point in safety zingembe panzi. Because so now I think it's a wonder to I'm alone at home today. I'm quite tired. I haven't eaten, and it's now around 11. There's only bread, so I'm thinking if I should go and buy eggs, or should I take myself brunch. Yeah, because it's now 11, breakfast, it's almost lunch. I know if I get something to eat, I might not eat per lunch. So I don't know. I'm too lazy to leave the house. That's why I'm sure if I should go, I don't have the energy to leave the house. I don't even have the energy to cook. So yeah, anyways, I washed my hair. I just wanted to dry and then put on my wig. Probably after putting on my wig, I'll have the energy to leave the house. Yeah, because I've already changed and stuff. So actually, let me do that, and then yeah, let me take myself for brunch, like a solo date thingy. Yeah, and also my sister is coming over. My stepsister. She probably will be spending the night. She was supposed to be here at 10, and she haven't called, so I'm not sure if she's still coming or not. I think I'll call her after this. Yeah, so let me go and blow dry my hair, put on my wig. Shampoo like Nifri and Diachona. I thought I would go and get it done today, but I don't think so. Tomorrow, I don't know. Because we might be traveling on Thursday. So Thursday? No, on Friday. It's Independence on Friday, and then Easter. Yeah, we're going away for the week, for the Easter holiday. Yeah, I think by the time you watch this, we might be back. So I need to get my hair done. I need to get my nails done, and also my lashes. I removed my lashes last night. Yeah, it wasn't painful at all. So I need to get another set of lashes. That one I can do tomorrow morning, and the nails I can do it tonight, because it's just a matter of a house call for the nails. And then for the lashes, the lashes I need to get them done today because they don't open tomorrow. So yeah, I think after brunch I'll go and get my lashes done. So yeah, there goes my day. And I also need to put up those picture frames on that wall. Yeah, so I put it on today's calendar because let me push it to tomorrow. Yeah, because since I'm now leaving the house today, I'll put them up tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. I don't even know if I greeted you guys, but if not, I'm sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, hi, it's yours, Miss Melissa. And if you're a regular, thank you for coming back to my channel. Yeah, I don't always look this crusty, but it's that kind of Saturday, like unango chita mouse chores. So honestly, waking up and wearing a wig for chores, that's not me. I'll do everything in my bonnet. Yeah, let me fix my hair and leave. So I just ended up making myself toast and a cup of coffee. I couldn't get myself to get out of the house. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have that and then take a nap, and then probably put on the frames on the wall today if I get the energy. Yeah.
Enjoy unbeatable savings and an irresistible shopping experience. TM Pick and Pay.
Yo, I overslept. Yeah, I did some little editing. After editing, I fell asleep. Well, I fell asleep while I was still editing, so I have to rush. It's almost 3 now, and I'm not sure if they'll still be open, like the lash bar. So I'm just going cross fingers they're still open so that I get this done and over with. I also confirmed with my nail tech. She's coming over like to fix my nails. I think I'm just going to have a filler, yeah, instead of a new set, because they just moved. And then this one but they're still fine. Guys, welcome to in the vlog. Yeah, today it's a Tuesday, and I last picked you up on Sunday when I was getting my nails done. Yeah, and I thought I'd come here and they'll be like, yeah, guys, I got my new nails and stuff. But I couldn't get myself to be in front of the camera. Yeah. Well, because I sold my car and I didn't think it would get to me, but it actually did. And I know people might say, yeah, it's just a car. But to me, it wasn't. I thought it was just a car, but it was more than just that. Yeah. I think I had that car for almost 4 years now, and just getting rid of it like that, it wasn't planned, to be honest. I was planning that I'll get rid of that car the time I get a new one. I was planning because I think it's like when I get a new one, or when I know that I'm getting a new one soon, but it was just a plan. That it didn't happen like that. Yeah, so I think that affected me a lot, so I couldn't like get myself together. I just needed time to myself. I think kana uri munhu wekuti zvino une chinhu chako like that you love so much and you get rid of it, you definitely understand like where I'm coming from. Yeah, so it's not that it had issues and stuff. That car never gave me problems. In the whole 4 years that I've had it, I've never had issues with that car. Yeah, I think the only problem that I had was being hit, like to my minor accident. I think the first one I had it probably, I think 3 months after getting that car. I was hit on the way end neighbors titori parobot, like a traffic light. Rakalusa my brake, and then Varano drove mashure. And that was the first one. Insurance like got it covered, it was fixed. And then 2 weeks after that, I was also hit on the same position, but it wasn't as bad as the first one. And then I was like, you know what, we are not fixing it this time. Abafuti, the person akandirova angasina insurance, so it was really like out of pocket to get it fixed. So I was like, you know what, I'm not getting it fixed anytime soon. I will get it fixed, but not now. Yeah, because honestly it was just 2 weeks after getting it fixed, and then already Europe was in position, like, you know what, I'll get it fixed, but not now. And then later on, ndakarovera paside of it, paside like the right side passenger door. Ndakarovera pazvimapo zvinenge zviri parod area, trying to turn right. Yeah, I didn't get it fixed. I let those things pile up. You know what, I'll just get it fixed, Kawan, and then I'll get my car new again. Yeah. And then I think a few weeks ago, I got hit by a combi go front, trying to turn right again. Yakauya oncoming chimandarowa kumberi. That one I had to get it fixed because yanga affected my number plate, so I had to get it fixed immediately. Luckily the person was insured as well, so we got it fixed the same day. Yeah, I think that was the last straw. You could ufamba nemoto ine madents. Yeah, that was it. So I was like, you know what, if we get a buyer, we can just get rid of it. Yeah. And then it just happened that suddenly someone was interested and they got it. Yeah, I didn't think it would go that fast, but it did. It went like in literally, how many days? 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. And then, yeah, that's it. So as it is, I don't have a car. Yeah. I'm back to being a passenger princess. I'm back to being back to using public transportation. Yeah, I do use public transportation here and there, especially on Saturdays. I don't like getting into town like Nekombi, but so I end up I don't like getting into town like Nemota because of traffic plus parking. So I usually park it at my grandma's place because it's closer to town, and then get a combi into town. But it's a different ball game when you don't have that car. Kutongosiya kuti ndosvapo kushandisa combi or in drive. So it's not something that I want to get used to, but because in the situation iripo right now, I have to get used to. Yeah, so that's the update. It didn't have any issues like mechanical and stuff. That car was just perfect for the 4 years. I was just someone who's consistent. When it's due for service, it was due, I'll go and get it done. Insurance was up to date. Yeah, I think just those kuroverwa and stuff. Cherejet in the recent efficacy Trangasinga movie, which was minor, I could have just easily gotten that fixed. So yeah, that's it about the car. Hopefully I'll have a new car soon. I don't know how soon, but we hope. For now, I'm joining other kids back to Zuko. Yeah. Yeah, anyways, guys, I got my nails done on Sunday. Yeah, I didn't show you. It's just the same intro color. I just added these flowers here and one upper, and that was all. And I didn't manage to get my hair done, so I'll get it done tomorrow. If I don't get it done tomorrow, I'll have to get it done Sunday, as well as my lashes. I need to get them done because we are traveling. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Let me close off this vlog here on a very sad note. I know it's just a phase. I'll get over it with time. So yeah, let me go to bed. Yeah, these have been my days. Come back from work. Actually, yesterday, came back from work, warm up food, eat, and then just sit on the sofa. But one thing, I won't cry. I'm not a crier. I don't know if that's normal. So yeah, let me go to bed. I have a long day tomorrow, work, and probably get my hair done. So I need to sleep early. I'm thinking of uploading like 8 vlogs for me. I'm still thinking about it. I know I'm good at recording, but when it comes to editing, I'm very terrible. So yeah, let me leave you. I'll catch up with you on Tuesday. Yep, on Tuesday. Yeah, so love you. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more. Yeah, love you guys. Bye.